If you want to see results, you have to apply patience. Is because I developed the life of whoever that made this. It better work. It better falling on my shoe. Nothing was coming out. It was not flaking. It was not, acting. And it is not must. It is not moisturizing my hair. In moisturization. I can't pronounce its name right now. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheche, your host, and in this video I am going to be talking about hair growth tips that help me to grow my hair from my scalp all the way down to my head in just 5 years of being natural. Number one tip is hot oil treatments. Initially or prior to 3 months ago, the way I would do my hot oil treatments is I would do it while I was deep conditioning. And to me, the reason why I did that, I felt like it was, more cost effective and less wasteful for me to apply the hair to my deep conditioner. You understand? While I'm deep conditioning, to me, I felt like it was a way of trapping moisture into my hair with my conditioner so that when I rinsed it out, I wasn't wasting oils because no matter how cheap the oil is in this Nigeria of today, it is extremely expensive. But I realized recently that it is more beneficial to do the hot oil treatment on my dirty hair, leave it in overnight with a shower cap and my bonnet to trap heat, then wash it out the next day. And one thing that I notice when I do this is my hair does not feel straight at all. No matter the shampoo that I use, my hair always feels conditioned even before the conditioner. And the main reason why I started using my hot oils this way is because I developed a scalp condition. My scalp was chronically itching. It was not flaking or anything like that. The itch was just way too much. So I realized that I had an overgrowth of malassezia because of all the plant oils and butters that I was putting on my scalp. So this method helps to keep my scalp congestion free, helps to promote better hair growth, and it helps to keep my hair conditioned because initially, prior to doing this method, my hair would always be moisturized, but the moisturization has gotten to another level. That's all I can say. So hot oil treatment, number one tip. Number two tip would be cleansing my hair or cleansing your hair frequently. Initially, I was cleansing my hair every 2 weeks, but when the scalp condition started, I started cleansing it every week, and there is a definite result. There is a definite difference, not result. There is a definite difference in the way my hair grows and the way my hair feels. My hair is always moisturized, no dry spots anywhere, and my scalp is always calm. And what I use in cleansing my hair is clarifying shampoos, clarifying anti-dandruff shampoos like Head and Shoulders and Elan shampoo that is made right here in Nigeria. My favorite is the Elan shampoo. It is pretty stripping, but because of the hot oil treatment, I don't notice the strip anymore. Actually, the strip isn't there anymore. The Elan shampoo has like salicylic acid, sulfur, and Nairo something. I can't pronounce its name right now. While the Head and Shoulders has parathion zinc, and Head and Shoulders is fantastic for people with that are struggling with dry hair because it also has conditioning properties. Yeah, conditioning properties in the shampoo that leaves your hair feeling soft even without the hot oil treatment. So number two hair growth tip is definitely cleansing your hair frequently and properly. Number three tip is detangling, and it is very obvious to every natural that detangling, gently starting from the bottom, working your way up to the top using a slippery product is a must. If it is not, I hope it is now. I am telling you now that that's what you should be doing. But something that I do every single time from day one of going on my natural hair journey is to always detangle before I cleanse. Sorry that this is number three. It definitely should have been number two because this comes before cleansing. Detangle your hair with a slippery product, either a conditioner, an oil, aloe vera gel, fenugreek, flaxseed, what have you. Detangle first properly with a good detangling tool. My favorite detangling tool is the on brush. And the funny thing about this brush is that both the original, the dupes, all of them work. I have used tons of them. I've used about four. I'm about to place an order for another one because I gifted one of my brushes to my brother, so I have to get another one and put in my closet as a spare. So number three, definitely detangle your hair gently from bottom to top using a slippery product before you cleanse. Hair growth tip number three. Hair growth tip number four is to always condition your hair, whether you are using a rinse out conditioner, deep conditioner, whatever conditioner that you have, homemade DIY conditioners. Ensure that you deep condition slash condition your hair every single time you wash it because natural hair is naturally dry and deep conditioning slash conditioning is a way of putting back the moisture that has been taken away by the shampoo. Number three tip, deep conditioning. And my favorite deep conditioners at the moment is my Smooth Organics hair mayonnaise and the Mazuri black castor oil hair mayonnaise. I haven't tried it yet. That is the Mazuri hair mayonnaise. I haven't tried it yet, but I spent so much money on it. For the life of whoever that made this, it better work. So yeah, that's my number four hair growth tip: deep conditioning your hair. Number five would be moisturizing, and what I use in moisturizing my hair is leave-in conditioner, coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Then I lock everything in with a butter. The reason why I moisturize my hair this way is because the leave-in conditioner is, or at least the one that I use, is water-based, and locking it in with the oil and the butter ensures that the water does not escape from my hair easily. And this moisturizing routine helps my hair to stay moisturized for about a week. So that's number four, moisturizing your hair, paying very close attention to your ends as well. Number five would be low manipulation protective styles. My go-to hairstyle is mini braids. I have done it several times in the past 5 years. I do it by myself. And if I really want to look, different, spicy, don't want to wear all the blonde wigs all the time, I go and get myself some blonde braids. And the person that does my hair is very familiar with natural hair and she's very familiar with my own hair. So aside from me, the next best person that takes care of my hair the way it is supposed to be taken care of is my hairstylist. So I go to her whenever I feel like I want braids or whatever it is. And that happens like 2 to 3 times a year. So number five hair growth tip is protective styling, low manipulation protective styling. You can do buns, you can do mini braids, you can do mini twists, you can do whatever you like, just as long as it is not causing more damage than protection. Okay? Number five. Number six hair growth tip is keeping the protective style moisturized. And the way I do this is by taking my coconut oil and applying it to my ends every single day. This ensures that whatever friction my hair comes in contact with, whether it's from my clothes, from the things around me, it ensures that my hair stays lubricated. And this helps to prevent friction that leads to split ends, that leads to stagnant growth, short hair, what have you. So, number six hair growth tip is moisturizing your hair or your protective style. Number seven hair growth tip is the nighttime hair care routine. I do not go to bed, even naps. I do not do any of those on cotton without protecting my hair. I always use either silk or satin scarves or bonnets whenever I want to lay my hair down. And the reason why I do this is because satin and silk don't absorb moisture, or they do not absorb the hair care products that I put in my hair the way cotton does. So whenever I do this, I wake up in the morning with my hair still feeling moisturized. And there have been occasions in the past, very far back, that I have laid my hair down on cotton straight up and I woke up with my hair bone dry. So to avoid this, go to bed with either satin or silk. That is hair growth number 7, nighttime hair care protection. Number 8 is hair trims. I trim my hair every twice a year. That is at most twice a year, depending on how manipulative I was with my hair. And hair trims are very important because they help to get rid of split ends, which can, threaten the health of other healthy hair strands. So it is very important to get rid of the split ends before they split other ends. And this has worked so well for me. Like I said, hip length hair in just 5 years of being on my natural hair journey. And when I do my trims, it isn't really a big deal to me because I don't really take off much because my hair is always, secure, it's always moisturized, it's always in a protective style. So the trims for me aren't really a big deal. I know to some naturals out there, even if you're not natural, getting trims can be a bit painful because it's like seeing all your progress fall to the ground. But trust me, if you want length retention, trims are very, very essential. It's not must that you get rid of every single split end. Just take off little at a time and you will still see benefits. You must not chop off 3 to 4 inches at a go. Start off small, maybe every 3 months. Get rid of them gradually and surely you will see the results. So number 8 hair care tip, trims, definitely. Number 9 tip would be scalp massages. Initially, I used to do my scalp massages every day with oil, but because I do not use oil on my scalp and leave it in my scalp anymore, I do all the massaging that I need to do the night before my wash and the day of my wash. In total, let's say that I stay massaging my hair for about 3 hours on those 2 days. So scalp massages are very, very important because they definitely help with blood promotion of blood circulation, and scientifically definitely that should help with hair growth, or that should help to promote healthy hair growth. So number 9 hair growth tip, scalp massages. Number 10 will be treatments, and the things that are encompassed in this is bonding treatments, my henna treatments, aloe vera treatments, and these are basically, and dry salter. These are basically the 4 treatments that I do on my natural hair. And the reason why I do this is because I've noticed that my hair is a little more fragile without the bonding treatments and other treatments. The treatments, each and every single treatment that I use on my hair has a role that it plays. The bonding treatments, I use them after protective styles, especially long-term ones. The herbal treatments are for color vibrancy and also hair fortification. So hair treatments in general are very important for me and my own natural hair. And the final tip is patience. When I started my natural hair journey and I will watch all these natural hair influencers talk about patience, patience, patience online, I never thought that I would one day sit on this chair and also say the same thing that they said. Because 5 years is not 5 days. I have hip-length natural hair today because of time, patience, and dedication. So that's what you are going to need for your hair growth journey. If you want to see results, you have to apply patience. That is it for this video, guys. That was a long one, but I hope it was helpful to any and all of you. If you're interested in seeing more videos from me, consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one.